Hey, this is Jeff G. Holt, the V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with some super cool pants. I know you're thinking, oh man, pants? Are you kidding me? Has this guy sunk this low? Pants? Well, these are Saint Unbreakable jeans. And Saint's been around for a while. They've done a lot of cool stuff with riding gear. And they make riding gear that doesn't look or feel like riding gear, but it has multiple amounts of protection built into it. And with these unbreakable pants, it's actually built into the fabric. As you see, there's no bulky Kevlar anything in there. And it's actually, they have a little bit of stretch to them, which I'm all for when you're sitting on a motorcycle with mids, or you want to move around a lot, or you ride far distances. You know, stuff that's just made out of cotton or twill that doesn't have any sort of flex or stretch becomes super uncomfortable. So you guys need to break the stigma of, you know, cool guy stretch jeans, because man, like, they have so many cool fabrics out now. These things, these are my second set. Saint sent me a set, and I pretty much have worn them so much that they, not that they're wearing out, they're just looking pretty worn, and I like my fabrics to look fresh and new. So I bought another pair of these, and I can't tell you enough about how good these things feel on. Even for me, who's like, you know, 190 pounds on a good day, they have a great cut to them. You're not getting your balls squeezed or your butt's getting, you know, it's got a lot of room to ride in, and then, you know, you don't look like some weirdo wearing a diaper with the big Kevlar puffy pants. Try some of these out. Like I said, they'll be pretty much the last pair of riding pants you'll need to buy. Saint,